All right, ugly spot, killer shot. Let's get to it. All right, so hear me out on this. We're trying to get ready to wrap. We wanted to look at a location. We're in this tiny foyer. Check this out. We've got this location, super small, not a whole lot of light coming in here to photograph. How do we make this interesting? What do we do? So this is pretty cool. This is how lighting can change your environment. We have these door with 3 circles in it. I thought, wouldn't that be cool if we can fire some light through this? Outside, we've got a Nanlite FS300B, and it is set to 2700 Kelvin because I want it to look like sunset is coming in and pouring in there. So we're gonna get this warm light that looks and feels like it's sunset. And as you can see from outside, right, is how they do it in Hollywood. They're controlling what the light looks like. And so here we're doing this. I think this has to go up, okay? And we'll see what that looks like inside, but that light's gonna be firing in through the door there. And all we have on that is from a modifier is the reflector. Yeah, it's like blinding me, it's the sun. That's Hades. And it's at 50% power, just FYI. So not a lot of power there, but now you're seeing we're kind of transforming this room into something else. So we've got a perfect look, got Rebecca, and she's got this like, just feels like Great Gatsby dress, but kind of look at it from here. I don't know if it's gonna show up on that camera. So now this has got this orange look. Now on camera, even though the light's at 2700, I want it to be warm. So on camera, I'm setting Kelvin to 4500, not 5500. 5500, everything just starts getting really, really orange, and that's not what I want, but I do want it to look like a warm sun glow. So if I need to lower that in post and get it closer to 2700, I will, but you know, if I match the color temperature on camera to the light, it's just gonna be too perfect. It's gonna be white light, and that's not what I want. We want that warm tone. So let's get Rebecca on.
Hello, you look fantastic.
So your feet are gonna be in that light there, and Rebecca, you looking down, you can't do that because the light's here. I need you either, that's no good. You're gonna have split light on your face. Here, come over here. I want you to see what it's gonna look like. I have a big nose compared to you. So you're probably getting a shadow here. Here, do I have a shadow? Mm-hmm. You don't. I don't think you did. So you probably have a little more latitude in what you can move. And I'll tell you, but just that's the why. So let me get you in there. Yeah, your chest and body can come here. Yeah, we can go opposite angles. Yeah, that is stunning, Rebecca. All right, so let's get the heavy lifting out of the way. Excuse me, producer. Excuse me, we're filming here on set. All right, we've got the Canon R5 Mark II and 85mm 1.2. I just want a shallow depth of field, but yet get some compression. That's why I didn't choose the 7200. I could go further back, but I don't really want to photograph this at 2.8. I want 1.2. So let's get to it. All right, Rebecca, let's just start off simple. Yeah, switch the legs the way you're bending them. Yeah, love that, love that. Everything looks great. Stay there. Let me get this. Here we go. 1.2. Don't move. We'll move through this slow, Rebecca. 1.2. Give me your eyes. Beautiful. Yeah, I want you to see what we're getting so you can feel it.
Oh, yeah.
I love these. We'll get full body too, but let's work with just up top first. So keep your face there. Just go back to that. Just bring your eyes back right just a little bit. Yeah, I know you can't see. Follow my voice, Rebecca. Right there. Gorgeous. Yes, love that. Keep your face there. Give me your eyes. Chin down. Beautiful. Eyes out the window. Don't go so far left when you look out the window. Bring them, yeah, right there. Whatever that is, that's your mark. Stay there. Stay there, Rebecca. Stay there, stay there. Gorgeous. Stay there. Looking out that window. Beautiful, Rebecca. Hold on. Let's see if I can pull this off. Looking towards Maya. Beautiful. Stay there. Let me get this back in here. What you got? What are you feeling? Shake it off.
Nothing.
Yeah. It's better than me. Hey, if we were outside, it's better than being outside. What if I move you back more towards that circle because there's shadow hitting there? Oh, we lost the shadow. Love what you're doing with your pose. Yeah, go back a little more maybe. Face look good. Light looks good. What if this arm comes underneath to the elbow? Yeah, I like that. Yeah, gorgeous hands. There we go. Ooh, love this, Rebecca. Eyes up high. Beautiful. Love that. Chin down just a hair. Yes. Stay there. Drop that hand under your chin, though. I'm getting a shadow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What if you're hugging yourself? Yeah, whatever feels right. Yep. However you hug yourself normally.
Usually don't. Maybe that's like something.
Maybe you should start doing that. Yeah, it's good. It's good mental health. There you go. Love that. Love that. Hold that. Gorgeous. Hold that for me, and then give me your eyes. Gorgeous. Chin just a hair left. Right there. Right there. Chin more left though. I'm getting too much of a shadow. Chin more left. Shoulders fine, yeah. Yep. Bring the eyes back. Yes. Eyes at me. That's it. That was awesome. That is a wrap, man. So look at that, how with one light we were able to really transform the space. You got to be thinking about, of course, the wardrobe lens to it. Rebecca crushing it as she has been doing. So we'll put our contact detail in the description below. Hopefully you love this video. We will see you in the next one.